Hello and welcome. I'm Somushri from the Somo Cafe and Patisserie. Today we are going to show you something very special for the Valentine's Day. It is a Swiss roll with lots of strawberries inside and fresh cream. So let's get going. We take milk. This is about 55 grams of milk, 55 grams of oil. We'll be using the egg whites for the meringue. We give this a quick stir. Mix with the oil and milk. That's about it. Next, we have taken cake flour and we can take 10 grams of corn flour, right? And we sift it together. We keep on stirring till it is lump free. And this should be the consistency of the mixture. So we'll make a meringue out of this. So once the egg whites become a little foamy, that's when we pour in the sugar. So we have taken 70 grams of sugar and these are the 4 egg whites. So our meringue is whipped and we have whipped it to a medium to stiff consistency, not very stiff, and it can go into my egg whites now. So we will do this action. This is the edge where I'm holding my whisk. I'm not slapping it against the mixer bowl, right? So now we are done with the sponge mixer. Now this will go for baking at 170 for 10 minutes. So now we'll start the filling. We'll use a slight amount of vanilla bean paste. So our cream is ready and we let it set in the fridge till the time our sponge is getting baked in the oven. So our sponge is ready. So now comes the moment of truth. We have to roll the Swiss roll. We tuck in the paper. We want the ring to be tightly made, We let this cake chill in the fridge for about half an hour before we slice it up.